Intelligence is a robust dropshipping research tool that's designed to provide users with detailed insights into thousands of Shopify stores and products. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about Intelligence to help you decide if it's the right dropshipping research tool for you. I'm going to explain how it stacks up in many different departments, such as product discovery features, which arguably is the most important one. I'll also talk about supplier database, pricing and subscription costs, automation features, customer support, community, and much more. Choosing the wrong tool for your e-commerce business can cost you a lot of money, and it can also waste a ton of time. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because you want to make the right decision. Let's get started with the product discovery features of Intelligence. Intelligence excels in product discovery, offering users the ability to browse through over 500,000 Shopify stores and millions of different products. The tool provides extensive filtering options, including by price, sales, and newly added products, which allows users to find the top selling items, and you can find trends really efficiently as well. As far as market analysis, the platform offers comprehensive market analysis features that can equip users with data on sales trends, seasonal peaks, and consumer preferences. Intelligence also includes Chrome extensions like Ali Inspector, which helps analyze top selling products on AliExpress, providing additional market insights for dropshippers. As far as integration with other platforms, Intelligent primarily focuses on Shopify, but they also gather data that's useful for other e-commerce platforms. While they don't provide direct integration with managing listings or inventory, the insights that you gain can significantly inform your product strategies no matter what platform you're using. Now let's talk about the pricing and profitability tools that are offered. So Intelligence offers tools that allow users to see the price history of products, that provides insights into pricing strategies and potential profitability. This feature helps users make informed decisions about pricing their own products competitively. What about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of Intelligence is straightforward and easy to navigate. It's designed to cater to both novice and experienced dropshippers. The tool's layout is intuitive, providing quick access to its wide array of features without overwhelming users. What about the customer support and community? While Intelligence provides customer support through email and an online help desk, there's also a community which can help share strategies and insights, but it's not as formal as some of the other platforms, so it's not like an amazing community or something, but still pretty good. But let's look at their pricing structure. So as you can see, they offer different pricing plans depending on how much access you need. You can pay the monthly payment option, which is about $40 a month. You can get the full access for a lifetime, which is $99. It's a one-time payment. And you can also get the yearly payment option for $79. If you're serious about using Intelligence for at least like a year or two, then for at least like 2 years or more, then getting the lifetime member option is a no-brainer. It's going to be cheaper and it's going to save you a lot of money compared to getting the yearly plan, for example, where you're spending almost as much, but it's just for 1 year. Now, what about the automation features? Well, Intelligence includes some automation features such as tracking store and product changes automatically. However, its main focus is on data analysis rather than the automation of dropshipping operations like order processing or inventory management. So what about their analytics and reporting tools? Intelligence provides detailed analytics on Shopify stores and products, including sales volume, ratings, and social media engagement. These reports are crucial for understanding product performance and optimizing sales strategies. Now, unfortunately, Intelligence at the moment does not offer mobile app availability, which can be a limitation for people that want to access this tool on their phone when they're away from their laptop. What do other people have to say? What are the reviews and user feedback for Intelligence? Well, user feedback for Intelligence is generally positive. Many people praise the comprehensive data coverage and user-friendly interface, but some users have expressed a desire for more direct integration capabilities with e-commerce platforms and some more advanced automation features as well that some competitors might offer. So overall, Intelligence is a powerful tool for dropshippers that are focused primarily heavily on leveraging detailed insights into Shopify stores and products. It has a one-time purchase offer that's comprehensive and makes it really attractive for people that are serious about scaling their dropshipping business without having large monthly recurring expenses. Now, while Intelligynce is a great research tool for dropshipping, Shopify is easily one of the largest and most popular platforms in the world for running an entire e-commerce business. Shopify also pairs really well with Intelligynce, so I would highly recommend trying it out. You can use the link in the description, try it out completely for free for 3 days, and then it's just going to be $1 for first month. So if you want to try out Shopify, I've included the link in the description, and I've also included the link to Intelligynce as well, so you can check them both out. Thanks for watching.